I am Ikra Majid from Ruhi's Punj. Today we are going to do one another experiment of class 11, which is one of the most important experiment, that is simple pendulum. So the aim of our experiment is find the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity. Apparatus, we need a thread, then metal ball, then stopwatch, ruler and simple pendulum. So let's study about the procedure. Tie the ball to the one side of the thread and fix the other side of the thread to the stand or simple pendulum. Then like that ball can move freely like this. This is the mean position of, this is the extreme position left and this is the extreme position right. Like that from here to here, then again to mean position, then again to extreme position. Our one oscillation will complete it like this. This is one oscillation completed, then second oscillation completed. Then like that we want to complete the oscillation, then we will get the time. We can measure from here to the center of the bob. So like that also we can find. This is the simple method. And second, we can find from here to the end position of the thread like this, and we can add the diameter of the bob, so we will get the same value, but we can measure from up to center. Pull the ball slightly to one side and release it gently. Then measure the time for 20 oscillations, then divide this time by 20 to get time for one swing. Like this we want to repeat this experiment for different lengths. So let's move to our theory. This is the equation of our time period of simple pendulum, that is 2 pi under root L by g. By using this equation we can find the acceleration due to gravity, that is g equals to 4 pi square L divided by t square. So let's move to the observation column. Then this is our tabular column. Length of pendulum, here we want to measure the length of the different pendulum, so we will get length. Then time for 20 oscillations, we want to do 20 oscillations and measure the time for both, 2 times we want to do this. Then we want to find the mean value of this time. Then next we want to find the time period, that we will get time divided by 20. Then next we want to do time period square, that is t square. Then last L by t square, we want to divide length of pendulum divided by time period square. So like this we want to do our observation column. Experiment. Firstly we want to measure the length. As you can see at the center we got the length as 28. So we can write here length of pendulum 28. So next time for 20 oscillations, we want to pull the ball to one side and move it gently and want to note the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. As you can see here, we got 20.7 seconds, so we can write here. Again we want to measure the time, so we can do it again of same length. Pull the ball to one side and move it gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again here we got 20.7 seconds, so we can write here. So next we want to find the mean, that is 20.7 plus 20.7 divided by 2. So we will get here 20.7. Then time period, that is t equals to t by 20. That means 20.7 divided by 20. So we will get here 1.035. Then time period square. So here we will get 26.16. Then next length divided by time period square, that how much length we have taken, we want to divide with time period square, that is 26.16. So we will get here 1.07. So next we want to do again. So now we can change the length as 33. Based on your wish, you can take the length. So now I am taking as 33. So as you can see, we got length as 33. So we want to write here. Again, we want to measure the time for 20 complete oscillations. Pull the ball gently to one side and move it gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. As now here we got 25.2 seconds. So we can write here 25.2 seconds. Then again we want to do 20 oscillations for the same length and want to measure the time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 18, 19, 20. So here again we got 25.2 seconds. So we can write here. So again we want to find the mean, that is 25.2 plus 25.2 divided by 2, that we will get 25.2. Then we want to find the time period, that is 25.2 divided by 20, so we will get 1.26. Then we want to square it, so we will get 20.88. Then length divided by time period square, 33 divided by 20.88, so we will get 1.58. Then again we want to do observation. I have taken the 4 observations. If the observations will increase, then error will decrease. So next we can move it. Next we want to find the mean, that is L divided by T squares. We want to add these all values and we want to divide how much observations we have taken, that is 4. So we can do it. So we got here 23.245. It is in centimeter per second square. So we want to convert it into meter. So we will get 0.2324. So next we want to calculate acceleration due to gravity, that is g, where our equation is 4 pi square into L divided by T square. 4, where pi value is 3.14 square, and we already found our length divided by time period square, that is 0.2324. Then we want to calculate it. So finally we will get the value 9.16 meter per second square. So this is our g value. Here correct value of acceleration due to gravity is, that is 9.8, but we will not get the correct exact value. So here we are getting g equals to 9.16 meter per second square. There will be some errors in these values. Now we had done with the calculation method and we have found the value of g. Next we want to find with the graphical method. X-axis we can write as 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. Y-axis we can take as 20, 20.5, 21, 21.5, 22, 21.5, 23, 23.5, 24, 24.5, 25, 25.5, and 26. So next we can plot the points. As in length 28, we got the value as 26.16. We can neglect that. At the length 36, we got value as 22.5. This is our 22.5. This is the point. Then second. As 33, we got the value as 20.88. So we can take these 3 points and draw a line here. So next we can take a triangle of this point, and we can make like this. This one is the A, B and C. So now we can calculate this, where acceleration due to gravity equation is 4 pi square into L by T square, where length is our AB and time period is BC. So we can take it, value of pi, 4 is 4, value of pi is 3.14 whole square, and AB is our 2.5 and BC is our 0.1. So it will become 39.4 into 25. So our G value is 981.0 centimeter per second square, and so we want to convert this into meter. So we will get 9.81 meter per second square. So this is the graphical method to find the acceleration due to gravity. Calculation method, as we got our value as 9.16 meter per second square, and graphical method our value is 9.81 meter per second square. Our simple pendulum experiment is over. It's very simple experiment. The value of G, the corrected value of G is 9.80665. At earth pole, value of G is maximum, and at center equator the value of G is minimum. So here we got the correct value, as there will be some errors also, like environmental errors or any systematic errors. There will be some errors also, but here we got our correct value. This was my experiment. So we got almost value near to the 9.8 meter per second square. So it's me Ikra Majid signing off. Thank you.